My name is Jose Maceda. I'm the Aftersales Manager at Toyota Bologna. We've been using the system across the group for 10 months. It helps us clearly show the customer if a tire really needs replacing. It means we can issue a report that includes a photo of the tire condition, and the quote is produced at the same time. That way, customers get their tire condition report and the matching quote straight away. We email reports only when the customer asks. They prefer a printed copy because they have it immediately. They might want emails instead in the future, but for now, we stick to printed copies. I know that nowadays, more and more dealerships in our group have started using the system. To the other dealerships, I'd say that it's a big help for tire sales. The customer gets to see the diagnostic immediately, and they see straight away if their tires are worn or still okay. That way, it's easier for them to decide right away.